Hey everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to my life and my channel. So today I have another Sephora. Stay tuned. Okay guys, I told you there you'll see another video for Sephora come out. When I got onto Sephora, my normal little sample bags that I like to get are $12. So I just went out to look to see if I had any new ones out there, but they were selling their other ones for $8, guys. $8. So that is an awesome price for Sephora products. And a great way for us to try stuff. So let's see what we got in this one. Looks like I got six products again. So we will start with our first product. Those of you who do not know me, let me let you know real quick that I am legally blind. I only see out of my right eye a little bit, nothing out of my left. So you're gonna see me look close at things like an iPad, and I might be talking with my face in the iPad trying to read something, or I'm turning to my right to look at a CCTV to make a product larger so that I'm able to see it. So just a heads up. And if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button for me, guys. Okay, so let me take a picture of this. This is how I do things. So I don't know if it's upside down, right side up yet, but I'm just gonna kind of show you. This is what I get that tells me about the products that I have here. I don't have pricing. They don't give you pricing. They just give you the description and a sample to try out. And if I really love it, I got a 15% off coupon for all of these items that I'm looking at now. Okay, so what I've done is I took a picture of this so that I can see what we're looking for. Okay, so my first item is from Lancome. It is the Juicy Tubes Original Lip Gloss. In Marshmallow Electro. Let's find my Lancome product. Okay guys, so here is the product. It is definitely a little sample, but that's put it in your pocket type of thing, you know? Okay, and it's got a little lippy that you can I think it's pretty much clear. It's a little sticky, but not bad. Feels good. Okay, so that was my first item. Okay, the second item is a hair product. It is Living Proof No Frizz Mask for your hair. So that's a great item to have also. Okay, this is number 3. This is made by Collie. I get a lot of samples for these, that actual brand. It says Vigno Pure, Natural Pure Celiac. It's a acid pore minimizer. Let's see, I think I have one of these already too from somewhere. Got a little on my hand. It did not have one of those little things on it, if you can see it. So it's a little thicker than water. It smells like aromatherapy. It has a distinct smell to it. It's very soft though, and it goes into the hand very well. Okay. So that was item number 3. This is made by Kiehl's. It is a Midnight Recovery Concentrate. So it probably has retinol in it. You see, it might not be open though, so we'll see when I pull it out. Oh wow, guys, look at this. That's super cute. It's just clear inside. And I'm only putting one little drop on my hand. Okay. Soaks right in. Now I have extremely dry skin, okay? I have Sjogren's syndrome, which has to do with the moisture glands in my body, so they don't work proper. It's an autoimmune disease, and everything about my skin is dry. So everything is going to soak in like that, and I love that it does, but I wish it would. I wish that my Sjogren's wasn't there so I could actually keep some of the moisture. Needless to say, I can't pronounce that very well. But let's see what it looks like inside and how it smells. Like I said, these bottles I love, love, love. Well, that one's a little more than half full. I'm gonna spray it on here because I've got one on already from a former video. Oh, that does smell good too, guys. It's like, kind of has a man's a cologne to it. So I don't know if that's for men or women. It doesn't say, but that smells good. And then this is the last one. Okay, so I cannot pronounce anything today. It's YVES Saint Laurent Libre perfume. Okay, and this one is not on the paper. So we'll open it up, see what we got. It's another. Okay, guys. Whew. I'm hot in my filming room right now. So thank you guys for subscribing and sharing in the opening of my other Sephora. Do you ever have one of those days where nothing's coming out correctly? That's my day. Okay, so it's been a great day though. I've been packing today. I'm way ahead on packing and doing everything I need to be doing for this trip because I'm just so excited. I'm just praying it doesn't get canceled. So if you guys are interested in this kind of filming content, then click below on the subscribe button. I also do travel, I do vlogs, I do videos about my blindness, I do fashion, skincare, makeup, everything about everything that encompasses my world. So I would love to have you check out my giveaways, and I will see you in the next video.